Welcome back to jg.garage. Today, I'm going to be unboxing this Merlin blowgun from Harbor Freight. So I picked this up at Harbor Freight because it was on sale and I only paid $3.49 plus tax. And I needed one for detailing. So the item number is 63577. So this blowgun comes with a safety tip and a rubber tip. It says here that the safety tip is OSHA compliant. And it comes with a 1/4 inch NPT connection. So on the back side, it says, the safety tip relief ports let air escape to prevent damage or injury. The rubber nozzle will not mar finished surfaces, creates a tight seal for blowing out fluid lines. It has easy thumb control, and the exterior is a durable chrome-plated zinc. So let's open it up. So it feels good on the hand. So with the rubber tip, it says here that the max PSI is 150, and with the safety tip, it's 90 PSI. As you can see right here. This part seems a bit loose, but I think that's fine. So let's take off the rubber tip. See, it's actually screwing off. You have to screw it off. I was pulling at first, but you just screw it off. And now install the safety tip. So the safety tip has these holes. I wonder if I can put this here. Nope, you can't put this on top. So it's either this tip or the rubber tip. So it has some weight to it. But this part right here feels really flimsy. So for my use, I think I'm going to be using the rubber tip more. So with the rubber tip, it has a soft tip, so you're not going to scratch your car or whatever you're working on. All right, so let's, oh, and this is the 1/4 inch NPT connection. Not bad. So now let's try it with the air compressor. All right guys, so this is my Cobalt 26-gallon air compressor, and this is a 50-foot Amflow air hose. For now, I'm just going to screw this on, but in the future, I'm going to put a quick connect here. All right, then I'm just going to tighten it with a wrench, and then we'll try it out. All right, so I have the air compressor just set to 60 PSI, so let's give it a try. Pretty good. So I'm actually really excited to use this for auto detailing, but specifically I'm really excited to use this on polishing pads. So before I would use a brush to clean this out, but now that I have this, it should make it faster and easier. So now what I want to do is try this other tip and see what the difference are between the rubber tip and the safety tip. All right, so we just screw this on. All right, let's see. So I think what I'm noticing is that this one, the air is more spread out. It's coming out much larger from the tip. And with this one, it's more of a fine jet stream. As you can see, the hole is much bigger compared to the rubber tip. So maybe if you're blowing out large things and if you want something more specific or accurate, you're going to use the rubber tip. This one for mainly blowing maybe the floor or leaves, maybe. This will be the good choice. but for intricate areas and tight spaces, then the rubber tip would be a good one. So I might be mainly use this just for the rubber protection, just because I'm doing auto detailing and this is safer since it's not going to scratch. And actually like it that it's more accurate and I can get to the tighter spots much easier. Yeah, so I'm going to keep this on, and then when I need to, I'm just going to put this on whenever I need. So I like how it has rubber here, so it's comfortable with the thumb. And then you have this hook, so you can just hook it on to anywhere when you want to store it. But overall, this is my first blowgun, and I like it so far, and I'm really excited to use this on my polishing pads and just cleaning the cars. So yeah, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions, and make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.